Hello guys, how are you doing? I'm Daddy the Guitarist. Today I'm going to show you how to play Muchana by Kanda Bongoman. Right. So, very quick. This is how you play Muchana. Let me demonstrate. So, that is how we play Muchana. So, let us break it down. Step number one. Let me position myself well. Step number one, play the key of B, shape number 7. Step 1, I want you to do this. Step 1, I want you to do this. Okay, guys. Just a minute. Echo. Okay. So step 1, I want you to do this. Play shape 7, and then I want you to play shape 4. Okay, shape 7, and then I want you to play string 4. String 4 E B note, and play string 3 G sharp note. So play string 4, play string 3, 11th fret play string 3, 13th fret play string 4. So you have. Now here combine it with string 2. Okay, are we together? And then is from shape 7, just go down there. First finger, first string, first string, 11th fret, second finger, second string, 12th fret. We are still in that shape. Okay, it's just that third finger tumetoa, we are left with first finger and second finger. So you have, and then again repeat string 4, and then slide it forward. String 4, string 4 and string 3. So you have. Alright, next step. Then repeat again. So step 1 you have this. Then again repeat. Or am I confusing you? This is what I'm saying. And then, okay, then, so you have. Alright, then go to shape 7, still this shape, and then again play string 4 and string 3. Are we together? So you have. and then go again, string fret 11, fret 12, this shape. Go fret 9, fret 11, fret 9 first finger, first string, fret 11, second finger, second string, and then go to fret 12 and fret 14, fret 12 first finger, first string, fret 14, second third finger, second string, and then finish. So you have all right. Or have you understood? That rhythm is played like that. Okay, so let me show you the solo part.